Hi, Noel.
Hi, Mark.
Are you ready for the big recording session tomorrow?
Yeah, I am. I think.
Okay. See you tomorrow. And don't forget the you-know-what.
See you in the morning.
No, I won't. I've got my hands in
12
my lap.
weeks before the recording session.
Look at that shiny trumpet. It's so shiny, it's copper. I made it out of pennies. Oh, hey, there she is. Oh, man.
Yeah.
We just...
Should we practice? Rehearsal?
Yes,
Yeah,
let's
okay.
do it. I have new goals.
All right, we'll match your
Wow. I've never really thought about this, but everyone else in our group can play an instrument except me. Tubo plays accordion and marimba, Obadiah plays trumpet, Mark plays guitar and bass. I wonder if I could play an instrument.
All right, great job with the rehearsal, guys.
Yeah, thanks,
Yeah.
boss.
So I'll see you at the recording session.
At the recording session.
All right.
Hey, Mark.
Yeah.
I was thinking, I noticed during rehearsal that everyone in the band plays an instrument except me.
Yeah.
Well, what do you think about me playing an instrument? You know, to become a more well-rounded performer?
Okay. Sure. But it's got to be really high quality for the recording, so you're going to have to practice a lot.
Don't worry. I got this. I can do it. Oh boy. This is gonna be tough.
So what instrument do you want to play?
Whatever you say, but not a lame instrument like a kazoo or something. I'm not sure actually.
How about a kazoo?
Ugh, no. I was thinking something more musical. You know, like something that'll bring out my personality.
Okay. Would you like to play the violin? How about a tambourine? You might like the trombone. Or what about a sousaphone? Want to be a DJ? Play a flute? How about a sistrum? How about claves? Maybe glockenspiel? Theremin? Panpipes? Whatever this is? Ukulele? Or a...
Stop! That's it! The ukulele is perfect! I've always loved the ukulele. It sounds so beautiful and reminds me of the beach.
You mean you don't want to play the kazoo?
Mark,
Just kidding.
can I hold it?
Sure. So, why don't you take it home and get ready for the big recording session? You're going to have to practice.
Okay, I will. Oh man, I don't know if I'm gonna be good enough.
You're going to do great. I believe in you.
Okay, thank you, Mark. Okay, I got this. I think I got this.
11 weeks before the recording session.
Okay, and let's try this. And that's definitely not right.
10 weeks before.
Let's see what the old YouTube University has to offer.
I like chocolate ukuleles.
What the? D. A. B minor 7th? What does that mean?
9 weeks before.
Ooh! A pink one! Pink butterflies? Oh!
8 weeks before. 7 weeks before.
This is hard. I'm just not good enough. I'll never learn to play an instrument.
4 weeks before.
Hey, Mark. I'm sorry. I don't think I could do this. You might as well take these. I'm not gonna need them anymore.
Tell you what, wait a minute. Why don't you have a seat? Let me tell you a story. You know what, Noel? When I was 11 years old, I started taking guitar lessons. For a little while, I took some lessons, but I quit. I gave up. It got too hard.
You quit?
Yep. But then later, my family moved to a different town, different house. I looked outside the window, and I saw these two kids playing musical instruments in their garage. They were playing together. And I thought, I really want to play with them. So I grabbed my old guitar, and I started practicing. I mean, every day. And then eventually, I went over and introduced myself, and we jammed. And we formed a band. And look at me now. I play guitar for a living. You just have to keep working at it and working at it. And you know what? Don't be afraid to ask for help.
Maybe you're right. Maybe I just need more practice. I'm gonna go practice right now.
Awesome.
2 weeks before recording session. The day of the recording session.
Hey, Noel.
Wow, how's it going there? Is that a ukulele?
It sure is.
Wow, that's great.
Thanks.
Shiny.
Okay, we're rolling. You guys ready to start?
Ready.
Ready.
We're going to record the song now.
Okay.
Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
A goal is something I want to achieve, and I can if I believe. A goal is that person I can become, no matter where I'm coming from. Ooh, a goal is a mountain I want to climb. The top I can reach it sometime. It's a scheme, a big dream.
Here's my dream. Lots of friends, money to spend, a candy machine, a trampoline. I want to be strong, write a song. I'll be a cool dresser, I'll be a professor. I'll be an artist, be the smartest, create something great. Be president of the United States.
A goal is a mountain we want to climb. The top, we can reach it sometime, but it's tall. So maybe start small. Like doing my best on a test. I'll make some goals. Woohoo! I did it! I learned how to play the ukulele.
I like chocolate ukuleles. I like chocolate ukuleles. How does this thing work? Me. Do I blow into the ukulele?